Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to make puppy paw wipes. I say puppy, but they're for all dogs, and we are going to use some simple ingredients, starting off with distilled water, Castile soap, coconut oil, and hydrogen peroxide. Let's get started. First, we begin with distilled or filtered water. If you do not have distilled water at home, the best way to clean your water is to boil it. Boil your water till high boil. That will get rid of all the impurities that might be in your tap water. So once you have your water, you will add the following ingredients. First, I'll start off with the Castile soap, and you are going to use 1 tablespoon. This is very highly concentrated, so you want to watch the measurements there. Give it a little stir. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You want to melt it, add it in, and as you can see there, oil and water do not mix. But this coconut oil is very soothing for your pup's skin, and you don't want to use something abrasive on your little puppy's paws. Next, you're going to have 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. You might have this in your household to take care of those minor scrapes that you or your children might suffer. This is a nice, natural, antibacterial, antifungal property. It has those properties. So after a nice long walk with your little puppy, you will want to clean his paws before he comes in, gets on your carpet, gets on your bed, or sometimes our little dogs get into some things and we want to clean them. Now, I am using paper towels. Now, you can take these paper towels, find a container that you can close. And I found this to be very economical because in my household we do use, not paper towels, napkins. So you take these napkins, and depending on the size of your container, you can do what you will with them. You could put them in fully open, but my container is a little small and it's not going to fit like that. So I take them and I fold them. Fold as many as I need, many that will fit. So I can fold as many of these as I need, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to fold a few. As you can see, once I press this down, I can put a lot more in. I will take my solution and pour it on top. So I can add some more. And once I'm done, I can seal it up. There we go. And they'll be ready to be used. This solution will be very gentle on your dog's paws, and you will just use it after your dog has gotten into some mess and keep his little paws clean. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I cycle through different types of videos, and hopefully you found this helpful. Until next time.